Hello, how you doing? Today going to make this lovely soup. It's really simple, it's healthy, it's vegetarian, it's vegan, it's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so there's absolutely nothing to this. You're going to need a large pot. In there I've got some oil. I've got about 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You could use, whatever oil you want. Or if you wanted, even butter. Okay, 2 cups onion. 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. 3 cups carrots. You can cut them how you want because we're gonna blend the whole thing. 3 cups potato. 3 cups raw beetroots. Peeled them all and just give them a little chop up. Salt, pepper and paprika. Now be careful with paprika because paprika comes in usually 3 types. You get sweet, spicy or smoked. Smoked would be really nice in there. And the other one you get is hot. So if you're going to use a hot one, it's just like chili powder really. So just be careful, choose the right one that you want. Sweet or smoked is probably best for this one. Okay, above medium heat, about 5 minutes, just sauteing. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add water. If you want, you could use stock. I'm just going with water. And we're going to end up with an amazing soup. So if you wanted, you could have also added some celery to this. Right, liquid time. So like I say, I'm just using water. So we're going to put enough water in to cover it, and just a bit. But yeah, if you want, you can get a chicken stock here, a vegetable stock. All we're going to do now is bring that to the boil and let it go for maybe about 8 or 9 minutes. What we're looking for is all those vegetables to be really soft. Okay, beautiful. So that's all really nice and soft now. Off goes the heat. I'm going to drop in a big handful of parsley or cilantro if you want, something like that. Or even like fresh mint would be really good. And I've got a lemon here and I'm going to give that a squeeze. There's the first half, there's the second half. And then what we're going to do is we're going to liquidize this. I've got one of those things that go inside and we're going to blend it up to a beautiful, lovely soup. And then you can adjust, because this might be quite thick, you can adjust the thickness of it. I mean, if you want it thick, have it thick. But yeah, let me get on with that. Beautiful stuff, job done. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Look at that, beautiful, really nice and thick. Now you can have it like that, or if you want, you can thin it out a little bit by adding a little bit more water or stock. I think that's what I'm going to do. That's much better, beautiful. Now if you want to kind of get it creamy but keep it vegan at the same time, get a little bit of coconut milk in there. I'm happy just like that. And there you have it, really simple, really delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.